Vitamin E has antioxidant activity and affects the muscles development, neurological functions, and immune system integrity. Thus, the functions of vitamin E is to protect the cell membranes from oxidation. The main source of vitamin E includes seeds, nuts, vegetable oils, and fortified breakfast cereals, which are among the best source of vitamin E. The deficiency problems can be nerve systems. Excess amount may interfere with vitamin K action and enhance the effects of some anticoagulant drugs. Vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and also aid the bone formation. It is primarily found in green vegetables, leafy vegetables with lesser amount in egg yolks, liver and whole wheats. Vitamin K is also synthesized by friendly bacteria in the intestine. Deficiency is rare but can be induced by prolonged antibiotic therapy that destroy the good as well as the bad bacteria in the intestinal tracts. Liver disease also interferes with vitamin K use and usually requires supplementations. The deficiency problems which occurs in vitamin K can be the thin blood which does not clot well. Fat-soluble vitamins helps to keep a child's eyes, skin, lungs and nerve system in good repair. So here we have some of the essential roles these vitamins plays. The first one is build bones, that is, bone formation would be impossible without vitamin A, vitamin D and K. It protects the vision. Vitamin A helps to keep the cells healthy and protects the child's vision. It interacts the favorably. Without vitamin E, the child's body would have difficulty absorbing and storing vitamin A. It protects the body. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, that is a compound that helps to protect the body against damage from unstable molecules. So it is something which is very important to know about the facts of soluble vitamins. The next type of vitamin is water soluble. Water soluble vitamin dissolves in water and are not stored by the body. Since they are eliminated in urine, a child requires a continuous daily supply in the diet. The water soluble vitamin includes vitamin B complex group and vitamin C. Vitamin B complex includes vitamin B1, vitamin B2, vitamin B6, folic acid and vitamin B12. They are frequently lumped together because they work together in the child's body and are frequently found in the same food. If a child have a deficiency of one, then a child is likely to have problem with the others. Vitamin supplements commonly called B complex is also given the full range of these vitamins in a single unit. Vitamin C. This is a water-soluble vitamin with antioxidant properties. C's most important role is synthesizing the colon, the building blocks of new tissue. When a child gets a wound, then a child is likely needed vitamin C to get healed. It assists in the absorption of the mineral iron, the activity of the vitamin folic acid. Now let us see the functions of vitamin B1. Vitamin B1 helps a child's body cell produce energy from carbohydrate. The deficiency problem a child could be suffering from fatigue, weak muscles and nerve damage. The good food source includes green peas, spinach, beef, pork, nuts, soybeans and the levers. The excess amount can be child's body which will simply get rid of it in the urine. The next we have vitamin B6. Vitamin B6 helps the child's body make protein which are then used to make body cells. It also helps convert an amino acid into vitamin B2. Vitamin B6 also helps produce a child's body chemicals such as insulin which regulates the blood sugar, hemoglobin which transport oxygen in the body and antibodies which fights infection. The deficiency problem which occurs can be depression, greasy, flaky skins. And the good food source includes potatoes, sweet potatoes, bananas, chicken, turkeys and some fishes. The excess amount can cause nerve system or nerve damage. The next one is folic acid. The main function of folic acid is it plays an essential role in producing DNA and RNA to make the new body cells. It also works with vitamin B12 to form hemoglobin in red blood cell. The deficiency problem can be impaired cell division and growth and a type of anemia. The good food source in folic acid includes corn, cabbage, cauliflower, green peas, spinach, orange chickpeas, and lentils. The excess amount may interfere with meditation. It can also mask vitamin B12 deficiency, leading to permanent nerve damage if not treated. Vitamin B12 is found mostly in food of animal origin. The main functions of vitamin B12 is it works with folate to make red blood cells. It also serves in body cells as a vital part of many body chemicals and helps the body use fatty acids and some amino acids. The deficiency problems can be anemia, fatigue, nerve damage, a smooth tongue, and very sensitive skin. B12 deficiencies may be hidden when the extra folate is taken to treat or prevent anemia. Strict vegetarians who eat no animal products are the most likely to develop vitamin B12 deficiencies. So, the children who do not absorb vitamin B12 may also be affected with these deficiencies. The good food source includes vitamin B12 are egg, beef, seafood, and dairy products, that is milk, cheese, and yogurts. Vitamin C. A child's body needs vitamin C to make collagen, the most plentiful protein in a child's body. Collagen helps keep a child's bone, skin, teeth, and blood vessel healthy. Vitamin C also acts as an antioxidant, helping to reduce the risk of developing chronic disease like heart disease and cancer. Vitamin C benefits the body by holding cells together through collagen synthesis. Collagen is a connective tissue that holds muscles, bones, and other tissues together. Vitamin C also aids in wound healing, bone and tooth formation, strengthening the blood vessel walls, improving immune system function, increasing the absorption and utilization of iron, and acting as an antioxidant. Since a child's body cannot produce or store vitamin C, an adequate daily intake of this nutrition is essential for optimum health. Vitamin C works with vitamin E as an antioxidant and plays a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals throughout the body. Thus, the main function of vitamin C is it helps the child's body to absorb iron from plant-based food. It also helps to produce connective tissues, form and repair red blood cells, bone and other tissues, keep blood vessels firm, maintain healthy gums and heal the cuts and wounds, protect from infections by keeping the immune system healthy. The deficiency problems occurs with vitamin C is scurvy, a rare disease that causes loose teeth, excessive bleeding, swollen gums, and improper wound healing. The good food source in vitamin C include cabbage, pepper, tomato, blackberries, grapefruits, kiwi, mango, melon, orange, pineapple, and strawberry. The excess amount in vitamin C intake may cause diarrhea and gastrointestinal discomfort. Supplements can also interfere with test for blood sugar level. So these are the different types of water soluble vitamin. Now let us see some of the importance of water soluble vitamins for a child. Although water soluble vitamins have many tasks in the body, but one of the most important is helping to free the energy found in the body a child eats. Thus the importance of water soluble vitamin is, the first one is it release energy. Several B vitamins are key components of certain molecules that aid enzyme that helps to release the energy from food. Second thing is it produce energy. That is, the vitamin B1, B2 and biotin engage in energy production. Third, it helps in building protein and cell. Vitamin B6, B12 and folic acid metabolism amino acids, and it helps the cell in multiply. Then comes it makes collagen. See, one of the important role of vitamin C is it helps to make collagen, which knits together wounds, supports the blood vessels walls and forms a base for teeth and bones. That's all for today. Thank you.